What is the full form of JVM?
JVM.
If you have to win, you need to score more than him.
Let's go for 4 mark then.
4 mark,
Yeah.
okay. If you want to beat him, you
Yeah.
need to select a 6 mark question.
6 mark, yeah.
6 mark, okay. What is the time complexity of Floyd-Warshall algorithm? What's the full form of SQL?
Pass.
Recently, I challenged some students to coding battles where the winner of the final round gets a grand prize money of 1000 rupees cash. So let's see how it goes.
Your name?
Rohan.
Which branch and which year?
I am from EC branch. I am in the final year.
Taufik.
Which branch, which year?
EC branch and 4th year.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'll ask you 3 questions, okay?
Yeah.
And you will have options. You can select a 2 mark question, 4 mark question or a 6 mark question. So difficulty level will depend on the question you choose. Based on your total score, you will win or he will win.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with you.
Yeah.
First question, 2 marks.
2 marks.
Okay. What's the full form of SQL?
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना
Query. QL is query language.
Uh-huh.
SC is
Any hints, guesses?
structured query language.
Structured, yes. Correct. Total, remember your score?
Yeah, yeah.
You also remember his score?
Yeah.
It's 2,
This was
okay?
for 2 marks, right?
Yeah, 2 marks. So next question,
4 marks.
4 marks?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you use C++?
Yeah, you see.
Okay. So if you want to push an element to a vector, which function do you use?
Pushback.
Pushback, correct. 6 marks.
Yeah. 6 marks, nice.
Next question, how many marks?
6 marks.
6 marks, okay. What is the full form of JVM?
JVM. No idea, bro.
Any guesses? Any wild guess?
Java.
Java, yes.
Java.
Wait for your turn. Java.
And Java.
Last 5 seconds. You can start the counter.
Java.
4.
Java vector machine.
Vector. Okay. Let's end it. So
Is there any marks for this?
You very chalak, bro.
no. So your total score is
6.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
First question,
4 mark.
4 mark.
Yeah.
What is the time complexity to search an element in a linked list?
Linked list. No, I don't know. I'll take the next question.
How many marks?
2 mark.
2 marks. Who is the CEO of OpenAI?
It was Sam Altman previously.
Now?
Now he's only that.
Correct. Last question.
Yeah.
If you want to beat him, you
Yeah.
need to select a 6 mark question.
6 mark. Yeah.
6 mark, okay. What is the full form of ACID in databases?
Acid accessibility. Sorry, wait, just a second. Accountability.
No.
I don't remember that. Atomicity.
Atomicity, yes.
Consistency.
Yes.
And then isolation.
Yes.
Durability.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You won this round.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for participating.
Yeah.
So now you'll go to the next round.
Yeah.
Okay. Your name?
Varun.
Which branch and which year?
I'm in EC and I'm in final year.
Your name?
Harshita, I'm in EC final year.
Let's start with you.
Okay.
Okay. So first question, how many marks do you want?
6.
6 mark question.
Yeah.
What is the time complexity of Floyd-Warshall algorithm? 6 mark question.
Log n.
No. Last attempt.
I don't know.
Okay. Do you know the answer?
Yeah.
What is it?
N cube.
N cube, yes, correct. But you don't get any marks for it. Next question. How many marks do you want?
4.
What is the full form of JDK?
Java Development Kit.
Yes, correct. 4 marks. Your total score is 4, remember? Okay. Last question. How many marks?
4.
Dijkstra's algo is used for which data structure?
Trees.
No, something close to trees.
Graph.
Graph, correct. Okay, your total score is 8. Let's start with you.
Yeah.
First question, how many marks?
4 marks.
4 marks. You have 5 seconds to answer. When I say the question, you all can start the counter. Okay. What is 146 modulus 9?
146. 2.
2, correct. Next question, how many marks?
4.
Name any 3 front-end framework.
don't know.
You don't know? Last question.
Okay.
How many marks?
6.
6. What are the two types of polymorphism?
Compile time and run time.
Yes, correct. You have won this round.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for participating.
I'm back.
Let's start with
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
So, how many marks?
4 marks.
What is the full form of LRU?
Least recently used.
Correct. Next question, how many marks?
6 marks.
Which data structure is denoted by a priority queue in C++?
Priority queue. I don't have any idea.
Any guesses?
Is it priority queue, right? Stack.
No. Last guess.
Queue. Wait, just a second. Yeah, I'm confused now. Graph. No.
You know the answer?
Yeah. Heap.
Heap, yes,
Yeah.
correct. Okay, last question.
Yeah, 6 marks only.
6 marks?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the size of bool data type in C?
Bool.
How many bytes?
2 bytes.
Last attempt.
Bool, 1 byte.
1 byte, correct. So your total score is?
10.
10. First question.
Yeah. 4 marks.
What is the time complexity of heap sort?
N log n.
N log n, correct. Next question, how many marks?
4 marks again.
4 mark. What is the full form of JSON? JSON.
No, I don't know.
Don't know? Okay. Now, last question, how many marks?
6 marks.
6 marks. So if you answer this, you will be tied.
Yeah.
What is the full form of GPT? In ChatGPT, GPT. Okay, it's. You know the answer?
No, I don't know.
Okay, then it's generative pre-trained transformer. Thank you so much for participating. And you are the winner. Congratulations. You win 1,000 rupees.
Thank you.
Here's your 1,000 rupees.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much again for participating.
Thank you.
Your name?
Shubham Priya.
Which branch and which year?
Mechanical 4th year.
Your name?
Satvik.
Which branch and which year?
I'm in mechanical engineering, final year.
Let's start with you. So first question, you can select, do you want a 2 mark question or a 4 mark or a 6 mark?
I will go with the easiest one, 2 marks.
2 mark, okay. So what's the full form of HTML?
Hypertext, HTML. Mail?
Huh?
What's that? Sorry, I'm very bad at this.
Hypertext, yes, correct.
That's what I know. I forgot it.
What does L stand for?
Sorry, I'm very bad at this.
Okay. So let's go to the next question. What's the full form of SQL?
Pass. No. I literally pass. I don't know.
Okay. Let's next question again, 2 mark. So who is the CEO of Google?
Sorry? Pichari. Sorry, bro.
Let's start with Shubham. How many marks question do you want?
Start with the easy question.
Easy one. What's the time complexity of quicksort?
Log n.
Log n.
Yeah. Log n, I don't know. I'm not sure about it.
No. Then let's move to the next question. What's the full form of CSS?
CSS. Actually, I don't know. CSS.
Okay. So last question and last chance to win. Who is the CEO of Microsoft?
Satya Nadella.
Satya Nadella, correct. So you are the winner. And you go to the next round. Your name?
Akash Kumar.
Which branch and which year?
I'm in currently 4th year computer science.
Your name?
Harsh Verma.
Which branch and year?
4th year electronics communication.
I'll start with you.
Sure.
So first question, you have 3 options. Do you want a 2 marks question or a 4 mark or a 6 mark?
I'll start with 2 markers.
2 marks, okay. What's the full form of LAN?
Local access network. Local area network.
Area network,
Yeah.
yes. Now let's move on to the next question. So do you want a 2 mark, 4 mark, 6 mark?
Again, 2 marker only.
2 mark.
Yeah.
What's the full form of OS?
Operating systems.
Operating system, correct. Now, do you want a 2 mark, 4 mark?
Again, 1 more 2 mark.
2 mark?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the time complexity of binary search?
Log n.
Log n, correct. Your score is 6 marks total. Start with you. So do you want a 2 mark, 4 mark, 6 mark?
I'll go 2 mark first.
2 mark. Name any 5 programming languages.
Python, JavaScript, C++, C, Golang.
Correct. So let's go to the next question. Then do you want a 2 mark, 4 mark?
I'll go with 2 mark again.
What's the time complexity of quicksort?
It's N O of N log N.
N log N. Correct. So last question.
Alright.
So do you want a 2 mark? If you have to win, you need to score more than him.
Let's go for 4 mark then.
4 mark?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the 2 types of polymorphism?
2 types of?
Polymorphism.
1 second.
Can I answer?
No. You don't have the chance now.
2 types of polymorphism. External no. Pass.
Okay, so you are the winner of this round.
Okay, thank you.
Congratulations. Final round.
Okay.
Winner will get 1,000 rupees.
Cash.
Okay, cash. Rokda. Who will start?
I'll start.
What do you choose? Which marks? How many marks?
Again 2 marks.
2 marks?
Yeah.
What's the time complexity of merge sort?
Merge sort. Okay, so in that we have to merge 2 elements. Is it n square?
No.
Okay. Can I have the options or?
No.
Okay. Merge sort.
Okay, time up.
Okay. Is it n log n?
It's 10 log n, but time is up. Time is
Yeah.
up. Okay, next question. Then 2 marks or 4 marks or 6?
2 markers. Second.
2 mark. Okay. What's the full form of CSS?
CSS. Cascading. First C for cascading and structure style. Cascading. CSS. Cascading is the first word. Okay.
Cascading is correct.
Yeah.
What does CSS do?
It's basically for the styling the web pages.
So
Yeah. So
you can take some hint from there.
styling is in that. Cascading.
5 more seconds you can count.
Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Structured styles. Something.
Over. Last question. So how many marks?
4 marks.
4 marks?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is the founder of Google?
Currently CEO is Sundar Pichai.
Founder.
Okay. No idea.
Any guesses?
Any guesses, audience? Google founded by. Leave. I'll pass.
Okay. So total score कितना हुआ?
0. Cascading I gave now to 0.5.
No. Shubham, first question. How many marks? 2 marks. Okay. What's the full form of LIFO?
Last in, first out.
Yes, correct.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for participating. Here's your prize, 1,000 rupees cash. Your name?
Shubham Priya, 4th year mechanical BTech.
नाम पूछा था.
If you like this video, make sure you watch this one too, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Goodbye and see you soon.